Hey everyone, welcome back to the Caster channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to transfer all your iCloud photos and videos to Google Photos. Whether you're running out of iCloud storage or you just prefer Google's ecosystem, this is a hassle-free solution for keeping your memories safe across platforms. First things first, you don't have to manually download and re-upload every single photo. Apple has actually made this process much simpler through their data and privacy page, where you can request a direct transfer of your photos to Google Photos. Let me show you how. Start by going to privacy.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, scroll down and you'll see an option to transfer a copy of your data. Click on that and you'll be able to select Google Photos as the destination. Apple will ask you what type of data you want to transfer. You can choose to move your photos, videos, or both. After making your selection, confirm that you have enough Google Photos storage. Keep in mind that the transfer won't reduce your iCloud storage, but it will take up space in your Google account. After submitting your request, Apple will begin transferring your photos and videos. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on how much data you have. But don't worry, you'll get an email when it's all done. Now, once the transfer is complete, you can easily access all your photos on Google Photos across any device. Plus, Google Photos offers great storage management tools, so you can back up even more pictures without worrying about running out of space. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can move all your iCloud photos over to Google Photos without any headache. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. See you in the next one.